Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your vehicle's cabin air filter. This simple maintenance task is crucial for maintaining healthy air inside your car. A clean filter traps airborne contaminants like pollen, dust, and exhaust fumes, preventing them from entering the cabin. Regularly changing it, typically every 12 to 18,000 miles or once a year, ensures you and your passengers breathe cleaner, fresher air. It's an easy DIY job that saves money and improves your driving experience. First, let's prepare. You'll need a new cabin air filter and possibly a flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool. Begin by opening your glove box. On the right side, you'll find a small damper arm. Gently detach it. Next, locate and release the two retaining clips or tabs on the sides of the glove box. This allows the glove box to swing down fully, revealing the filter housing behind it. With the glove box lowered, you'll see the cabin filter housing. It typically has a small access door secured by two tabs. Gently press these tabs to release the cover and remove it. Now, carefully slide out the old filter. Pay close attention to the airflow arrow printed on its side. This indicates the correct orientation for your new filter. You'll likely see how much debris and dirt it has collected. Now, take your new cabin air filter and slide it into the housing, making sure the airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one, usually downward. Snap the filter housing cover back into place. Then, lift the glove box. Re-engage its retaining clips and reattach the damper arm. Close the glove box and you're all done. Enjoy cleaner air, reduced odors, and improved HVAC performance in your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.